And Izu was alleged to have said, I have a cousin, I am paying her school fees in Lagos. And that is Chidinma. She's beautiful, she's seductive. All we need to do is get somebody to take her to a billionaire's party, because Ataga was a billionaire.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless. For this our channel, now Tori now we talk and now Pidgin English will take the knack our Tori for you. We're not just there here to talk. If you share this video together, we're gonna say someone today.
I have all of them in my phone.
Yeah, it's there in the social media space. Yeah, it's there in the social media.
I have all of them here. So Brenda was no longer hiding the fact that Ataga is my legal husband, but I'm no more interested in Ataga.
Yeah. So
she was free with Izu in Abuja. Now the point now came up early in December last year, when, because of the love affair between Mr. Izu and Mrs. Brenda Ataga, they now got to the point of saying, let us get married. And Brenda said, but I am still legally married. What do we do? And Izu was alleged to have come up with the idea. Why can't we get Mr. Ataga in a very uncompromising situation where we can record his sexual activity, since he has witnessed for fair complexioned beautiful ladies. If we get that one, we will use that as the evidence before the court
to demand for divorce.
To demand for divorce.
Okay.
That his conduct is intolerable. And the question now was, who do we use in Lagos? And Izu was alleged to have said, I have a cousin, I am paying her school fees in Lagos. And that is Chidinma. She's beautiful, she's seductive. All we need to do is get somebody to take her to a billionaire's party, because Ataga was a billionaire. That was how they took a friend of hers was got to take her. Initially, Chidinma was said to have said, no, I don't want to get involved in this kind of thing. But the man was paying her school fees. And she was now taken to a party in Banana Island, where she was, you know how these guys arrange themselves.
Yeah.
They got her close to Izu. Izu, a human, Ataga. Ataga being a normal human being. Even pastors these days fall to temptation. He saw Chidinma beautiful. And I have pictures of Chidinma here, even near the beach. What she was putting on, a scent will be tempted. So Ataga now went for Chidinma, not knowing that Chidinma was a pet. That was how the relationship started in January, without knowing that Chidinma was planted against him to facilitate divorce in Abuja. And when Chidinma was not delivering, no result, Izu stopped the school fees.
Okay.
And said, until you deliver evidence, I won't pay your school fees. So she could not go to school. It was at that moment, it was alleged that Izu told Chidinma, get a place. I will send boys to bug
the place.
There will be hidden cameras, everything in that apartment. Make sure all these things are done before you bring in Ataga. So those things were done. She got there. After Ataga had paid, all those gadgets were all put there. And every activity they were doing will be recorded.
Okay. But Sebi Thomas, does this explains why the police authorities in Lagos have said that Chidinma may not have been the only person involved in this matter?
Yes. In fact, they use the word and her cohorts. And her cohorts.
Okay.
They've gotten the point that she did not organize this herself. Chidinma must have told them that, look, I didn't want to do this thing. I didn't even plan to kill this man. I was only carrying out a job to assist my uncle to get his girlfriend get a divorce, and they will marry. But at that point, after the whole bugging of the place, Chidinma invited the man to say, you can now come.
Okay.
And the man walked in. The man walked in.
Okay, now the plank of this case that has to do with the wife of Ataga is yet to be
Established.
Is yet to be established, because all that we have are what is there in the public space, in the media space, with pictures and all of that, which could be denied. Against that background, how do you think that justice can be gotten for the man who has been so dastardly killed?
A lot depends on Chidinma. And I do not see if the police, with the same dexterity and professionalism with which they arrested Chidinma, and don't forget, hardened criminals. I am not saying Chidinma is a hardened criminal, but even her classmates and lecturers said she's a recluse. She hardly talks to anybody. She comes to school, take a lecture, and she goes.
That doesn't make her a hardened criminal, just like you said.
But with the pictures we have, which are smoking. And another important fact, she doesn't live with the mother. The mother is separated from the father. The father violently resisted
Her arrest.
Why? The father could not believe that his own Chidinma, his daughter, can even hurt a fly. Chidinma has a shop in front of her house. So the father sees the daughter as an innocent child of yesterday who is managing a shop. How can she be involved in killing? So if you look at this, this is another lesson for parents in Nigeria. Don't look at your children at face value. Don't look at their ages. When they leave your house, particularly when they have to attend schools. I understand even now in primary schools and secondary schools there are courts. So don't look at your children and say they cannot do anything. That was the reason why the father was arrested.
Okay.
So if you juxtapose her mien of being a very innocent looking child to the pictures we have where she's smoking and almost naked in pictures, if you juxtapose all that, and the fact that she can generate a foreign number to her phone, then you begin to look at Chidinma properly. So she is going to be very, very helpful to the police. If the police can simply do a thorough job, use the same method they use in getting her, because for 24 hours you were watching her. If they can get more information from her, she will definitely tell the police who sent her. Because the information at my disposal, which is also online, was that as soon as the unexpected happened, that Mr. Taylor died, she was said to have phoned Mr. Izu, who told her to calm down, don't worry, just calm down, don't panic. Those boys who came to fix all those gadgets, he will send them back. And those ones quickly remove all the gadgets. But one of them still leaked out the video of the sexual activities between the two of them, which is also online. So if that video can be online, where Ataga and Chidinma were having sexual activities, how did it go online? Who planted those cameras?
But those cameras could have been existing.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Please consider to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Thank you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me. I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.